Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out here on a beautiful day checking out this used option we have here on site. It's a 2025 Yamaha 195S. You can see we got it in the black and blue color scheme. You guys climb aboard and I'll show you what's on board here. All right, welcome aboard the 195S, guys. So starting way back there towards the transom, you can see Yamaha has that signature huge swim platform with sea deck all over it. So it's super comfortable when you're hanging out back there, if you're at the sandbar, anchored out, having a picnic or something like that. You can go ahead and climb aboard. You can see you do have a cutout on the walkway right in the center to welcome you into the cockpit. And then these seats are removable with snaps. This one's got storage. And then this one will create a non-skid platform for you to step on if you wanted to use it as just a walkway. But if you got a lot of people on board, you can have them sit there as well. Then over here on this cushion is some more storage as well as your battery and switch. And you'll notice on the flooring is this snap-in MarineMax carpet. So you can leave that in whenever you want, take it out and clean it super easily, or if you want to have a non-skid flooring, you just take it out and leave it off the boat. Dual captain's chairs here, and over here on the captain's side, it is an adjustable bolster, raise you up above the windshield there. And then up here, you can see the head unit for our upgraded Hertz stereo system. That's one of those great options you get on these S models. The large Yamaha Connect screen, and you can see on there, this boat actually is sitting right at 67 hours, so barely been used. All right, more storage over here on the port side with your bow filler cushion. And a glove box right in front of the co-captain's chair there. I'll make my way into the bow and I'll take a seat just so you can get an idea for size. All right, I'm about 6'3". I can stretch out pretty decently here. And then storage underneath the seat I'm sitting on, that one over there, and dedicated anchor storage right here. This is a great used option to get you out on the water just in time for the summer. So if you guys want to give us a call at 803-831-2101, you can ask for me, Blake. I'll be happy to show this one off to you.